Are you sick and tired of paying ever-increasing electric utility bills? Do you want to make a green investment that provides a positive annual return instead of continuing to throw money away? Are you aware of the free net metering service offered by BC Hydro, which gives you credit for clean energy that's generated on your property? Do you own your home or commercial property? Have a south-facing roof or ground space? Have a minimum investment budget of $10 to $20K for a turnkey solar array? Have concerns about the environment or global warming? Want to be a leader in environmental stewardship? Have or want an electric vehicle, but are concerned with the additional cost of charging? The BC Hydro Net Metering program allows you to harvest as much power as you and your family consume annually. This can keep you out of the increased Step 2 expense or get you to net zero, effectively eliminating your expense altogether, while at the same time helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. If you meet the above criteria and are interested in doing your part for the planet with a solar PV array on your home or property, please contact the team at Riker Energy today.